have our M755VL Emily Tote. Your monogram will go here, below the pom-poms. Use one piece of solvay if needed. Slide the tote all the way back to the back of a 6.5 by 5 inch slimline clamp frame. Use our custom centering jigs to find center. Trace sewing area to ensure that your monogram fits inside the frame. Lay one sheet of solvay on top and now you can begin sewing. All of the items used in this video can be purchased at wholesale-boutique.com. Our medium weight tear white backing adds stability, tears away easily, and leaves a clean finish. We only use MagnaGlide bobbins here at WB. Their magnetic core creates a consistent delivery throughout the entire bobbin. No more interruptions for tension adjustments as your bobbin gets smaller. When the sew is complete, you can remove the item from the machine. Carefully tear off solvay, and then you have a finished product. Click the link in the description below to view the items used in this video.